What's up, guys? Hope you guys doing well. Today I will discuss an exciting topic, and this is ChatGPT. Hope you guys know about ChatGPT. If you don't, no problem, I will tell you what it is and how it works. Before starting the exciting video, I would like to know whether you're a power user or just getting started. Our videos will give you an in-depth look at the newest trends and innovations. So, let's get started. So ChatGPT is a conversational language model developed by OpenAI. It uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It is trained on a large dataset of conversational text and is capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of topics and questions. It can be used for various applications such as chatbots, language translation, and text summarization. Let's ask some questions. So I am going to ask him to write an article about upcoming technology. So here is the answer. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Internet of Things, IoT. 5G networks. Quantum computing. Blockchain technology. Robotics and automation. Let's ask another question. Can you give me an explanation of blockchain? Oh, he is generating answers through AI. Interesting. It's really awesome. Try another one. What is the current price of BTC? Means Bitcoin. Oops, it can't answer the question because his knowledge cutoff date is 2021 but the current date is 2023. So we can't get any current information from ChatGPT. No problem, in the next video, I will discuss the alternative of ChatGPT.